Tonight, Fifth Circuit Solicitor Dan Johnson and his co-defendant Nicole Holland accused of misusing public funds back in federal court for their arraignment. News 19's Jacob Reynolds was in the courtroom today. He tells us what happened.
In federal court Tuesday morning, Dan Johnson and Nicole Holland both pled not guilty to the charges against them. According to a federal indictment, the two allegedly used public funds from 2016 and 2017 for travel, vacations, romantic liaisons, medical expenses, and double reimbursements for military training. After court, Holland's attorney Clarence Davis said the indictment doesn't tell the whole story.
There's some mischaracterizations, misimpressions in the indictment. We intend on trying to correct a lot of those misimpressions as to her role in the solicitor's office. I think some of it's been quite overstated, but we'll be correcting that hopefully over the next few weeks.
So I asked this question.
Do you believe your client is innocent?
My client is pleading not guilty.
Johnson and his attorney declined to stop to speak with reporters, but his attorney said they were satisfied with Tuesday's proceedings and were hoping for a fair trial. A U.S. magistrate judge gave them each a $25,000 unsecured bond and ordered them to turn in their passports and limit travel to the state of South Carolina. Back to you.
Jacob, thank you.